Hi students, welcome back. This is the another important function which we are going to study today, that is average function. We all know how to find out the average, right? What we need to do to find out the average? Just add the numbers and divide it by the numbers of values in that particular series. Like if I'll take the example of this, so here we are going to add all these numbers first and then divided it by 6 because there are 6 different values in this column. So this is how we can find out the average value. So in Excel we have the function which does all this for us. So let's see. First of all, here I'll write average. Now again we need to go to formulas and then click on more functions. Under statistical we have the average function. So just need to click on this. As we have discussed, there is no need to cram where the particular function lies because you can search the function by just clicking on the fx and search it by its name. Now coming to this average function, in this argument window write down the range and then press OK. So as I am going to find out the average of this, that's why I have changed the range here, and then I'll press OK. So this is the average. So again, this is your homework to find out the average for each month. We'll see you in our next lecture. In that lecture, we will discuss the count function. So stay tuned with StudyKosh. Thank you.